So here's the second project called project number 1 in CS50 web development course. It's required to build a Wikipedia using Django framework. This is quite a complicated project if you don't have an experience in Django before, like I did. And it contains a lot of material, so I'm not sure I can fit this in 5 minutes. But let's try. So the first requirement is entry page. So here we can see entry page. If you visit, for example, localhost wiki/css, we'll get to CSS page. Let's try HTML. And we get to HTML page. The title of the page, as we can see, includes the name of the entry. Okay, now let's try the page that doesn't exist. And we get an error. Let's go back home. And go to the second requirement. Index page. Update index so we can have links to all the entry pages. And we do them. Next requirements. Search. So here's our search field. Here's our search button. Let's first type a valid search. We redirect it to this page. Now let's find something else. We are redirected to the search results page. Let's try one more time. Again, search results. In this case, we have two search results because CSS and JavaScript contain letter C. If we click, then we'll be redirected to this entry page. Okay, let's go back home. Next requirement number 4, new page. Let's go to the create new page. User should be able to enter the text and click a button. Okay, so let's create a new page. Okay, CS50. CS50, and let's add some content. It should be able to click a button. We just click the button. If an entry exists, there should be an error. Otherwise, the entry should be safe and the user redirected. Let's try to reproduce this error. And sure enough, we get an error. Okay, next requirement. Requirement number 6, edit page. Edit page. Let's go home. Let's go to CSS. Let's try to edit this page. This is an edit number 3. We are redirected to this page and we can see our edit. This is our edit number 3. Let's go to the next requirement. Requirement random page. Clicking random page should take user to a random page. Let's try again. We can see that we are redirected to a random page. Next requirement, Markdown to HTML conversion. Well, we may see that this Markdown is rendered here. If we want to see the Markdown, it's here. So these bold command line scripts should be rendered as a bold text, and it is. And that's all with this project, Wikipedia.